natin is guys, ganyan ang update natin guys. So wala, mahina. Pag ganyan din guys, mahina din ang namin dito, ang net. Or signal, you know? So, tahimik. So, ano ang update niyo dyan guys? Kumusta kayo dyan? I hope you have... So, hello guys. Are here and have coffee. Our morning with Miming. How are you? Ta kayo dyan guys. Hello. You slowly? Ayan siya. Guys. So, how's your guys? I hope you have a nice day. And a good day everyone. To all of us. Ayan guys, ang update natin. So, have a blessed day to all and everyone. Thank you so much. So, Miming is there as you can see guys. Hala, si Miming guys. No, we are here. Hello. Say to hello over there. Okay. Thank you so much. Miming is here. I think you are hungry already. Ming, no? Now? Hello, sus, I feel. You look so cute, Ming. Thank you. Hello, do a bite. Thank you so much. Napaka-cute mo naman, Ming. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And keep safe, everyone. Have a blessed day to all of us. And a nice and a wonderful day ahead, guys. So, bye-bye. Bye. With Mimi. Hello, guys. Parang may man dyan. Naririnig man tayong something, guys. Ayan. Oh. Ang update natin, guys. So hello guys, tayo ay kakain tayo guys. Wala tayo. Ayun, ang ulam natin guys for today ay galing kay kay Ate Jean. Oh, masarap guys. Kahit gulay lang yan ang ulam ni Ate Jean guys. Napakalasa talaga guys. Masarap talagang ulam niya. Kahit gulay-gulay lang guys ang ulam niya guys. Masarap talaga guys. Lalo na pag karne guys. Napakasarap talaga yung timpla ni Ate Jean guys. Mabalik-balikan mo talaga guys. Ako guys, maka-ano ka talaga guys. Ano ba yan? Makapang-ano ka talaga sa kamay mo guys. Ang lasa. Kaya madali maubos ang ulam niya guys. Nauuna talaga sa kanya maubos guys. Masarap. Ito yung Ate Jean Biernes. Thank you so much, te. Naabutan ko pa ang ulam mo. Kain tayo guys. Thank you.